Want to know the easy way to get more clients? Use a simple social media scheduler. Schedule your posts in advance. If you're stuck, just go to ChatGPT and say, give me 10 tips about your particular topic. Make a short social media post from it using emojis and a call to action to whatever you want your call to action be. And ChatGPT will give you a bunch of social media posts that you can then pop in a social media scheduler. Then go to Techmatics, click on marketing and emails, and then go on over to the social media planner. You can then click on this button here to attach all of your social media profiles. You can add in your LinkedIn, your Twitters, Facebook groups, Facebook pages, and lots more by clicking on this button here. And then scroll on over to add a new post. From there, you can create a new post from scratch. You can upload a CSV of pre-written posts. You can also use our template or even the inbuilt content AI. So I'm going to press create a new post, and from there it will ask us which ones of our social media accounts would we like to run it to. Then we can add in our content. We can choose if it's a post or a story, and we can also upload videos. We can add our images, hashtags. We can even add custom fields if we've collected that contact's information before. You can even customize their names that they see, emojis, and also we can pre-schedule a follow-up comment. So for instance, if you uploaded a video and then you said the link's in the first comment, that first comment can also be pre-scheduled. You can then down here choose what date and time you want that particular post to go out. If you're a virtual assistant and you're doing this for a client on Techmatics, you can then schedule it to go to your client for approval before it actually gets scheduled. And over here, if you had LinkedIn or other channels, TikToks and so on, you'd be able to preview that post by clicking on the different icons for the social media channels right there as well. From there, you can click on Open Planner and you'll be able to see your entire month or week at a glance of any social media posts that you have scheduled. There you go. Literally spend an hour putting together the next month of social media content, auto schedule it to auto post in Techmatics, and boom, you're going to have leads on autopilot. Don't forget to grab your free trial. It comes with a free setup call to get you going fast. See you.